you so much for coming back to this channel once again. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out. You're peeping in, so just go ahead and become part of this family. Today I'm going to work on a charger. I am getting ready to participate in my first craft show here in Las Vegas. I haven't done a craft show in years. This is the time of the year that people are decorating their apartments and homes for the holidays. Everyone wants their place to look beautiful as they have company this holiday season. And I am going to show you different ways to how you can use chargers in your decor, or you can just use them as chargers on a table. So let me get started with this. When I started my YouTube journey, this is the very first charger I decorated on the channel. I glammed it up by just adding some glam glitter around the sides. It can also be used as shown on a place stand. This is my #1 video on my channel. This charger here I'm using as wall decor. I spray painted it beige, added some glam glitter on the inside and a mirror on top. It is so beautiful. I also use a lot of charger trays in my apartment. This particular one, I added some gems on each side and a plate on top. Look at those gems. They're just different colors and different sizes, mainly clear and silver. These are just a few examples of how you can use a charger plate or a charger tray as decor in your home. Now coming from the wall to the end table, I created these vertical charger trays by using glam glitter on the inside. They turned out so beautiful. Now here I'm using a charger plate and a charger tray as decor on top of my kitchen cabinets. This one I created using some clear ice gems around the edges and a mirror in the center. Now this is one of my favorites. I used some turquoise glitter along with my glam glitter on top of a plastic plate and glued it to the charger plate. This is another favorite of mine. I created this charger myself by using a wood round from Amazon along with my paint colors for my apartment. This one is shown on my introduction video. I'm going to do that on camera today. The charger's a little different. I'm not going to put this on the wall, but I'm going to show you the ones that I use in my apartment that I have on the wall. What I'm using is a charger that comes from the 99 cents only store here in Vegas. It is $1.29. Dollar Tree does not carry this one. And you can use a vinyl placemat. I just cut it out to fit the shape of that. I'm using some Mod Podge to hold it down. I have a little of the glitter from Favormore. This is the chunky type glitter. Well, it's a little bigger than the fine glitter. And then after I get the placemat, the vinyl placemat on there in place, I'm going to use some of these flat gems. I'm going to use those around the edge of the placemat, but I'm going to spray paint the back silver. And guys, don't forget to clean your chargers first before you start. these have been sitting up for a little while, so I just want to get the dust off. I'm going to put some Mod Podge in the center. May have put too much in there, but we'll see. I'm going to put the vinyl placemat on top. I'm going to go over the top of this with a little bit more Mod Podge. Really focusing on these ends to make sure that the vinyl placemat does not lift up. Next, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of the glitter on top. I think I gotta open this first, guys. Yeah. Maybe if I take that out, I can get some glitter or more glitter on here. Try this again. There we go. And while I am leaving this to dry, and I'm going to go ahead and work on spray painting the back of the gems. I'm going to let this dry for about 2 or 3 hours. When I created this the first time on the ones that I have in my home, I'm not sure if I hot glued the clear gems on or if I used some type of E6000 or other type of glue. So for this today, I'm just going to glue 4 gems on here because I want to see if it's going to hold, which one is going to hold better, because this is an item that I am selling at the craft show, and if I'm doing something that I'm selling, I want to make sure that it holds up. So the first 3 are going to be the hot glue, and the last 3 is going to be the Gorilla Glue. I put some gloss finish on the back of the gems. Next 3, I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue on. I'm going to let them sit up for 24 hours, and I'm going to come back and see which glue holds the best. but I can show you how this looks on the wall. This is the set that I made a couple of years ago that I use in my own apartment. That is so beautiful and sparkly. Well, that's how they look. And I'll be selling the set for a set of 3. Thank you all again for watching another DIY. Have a blessed day.